ng acoustic. Kasi dapat, supposedly dapat ano full band ako right now, pero yung mga kabanda ko, meron silang ginagawa ngayon, mga busy sila. Pero, yeah. This song is entitled Guilt. It's about broken promises and mga disappointments. Basta yan. Saan mo gusto nyo?
Can define what I just realized, all the truth behind those shit and their filthy lies. You cannot hide the truth by fame over demise. It's never ending until they all just die. To subside, heart is pounding with your guilt inside. Your promise is cursed, but trying to survive. Can you feel it all? Can you feel it all inside? Got to rule. That's the truth behind those shit they do. It's the humility anguish they've been trying to deny. It's never ending until they all just die. Subside, heart is pounding with your guilt inside. Your promise is cursed, that's trying to survive. Can you feel it all? Can you feel it all inside? Oh, inside. And thank you. That was an original song galing sa banda kong Paradox. Another original song galing din sa banda kong Paradox, sa Tagalog siya. Ginawa namin to election period, so medyo political, pero I'd rather not say kung anong political views natin. Kasi syempre alam ko dito, iba-iba tayo dito eh. Pero this is a song that we wrote from my band sa Paradox. Check. No, wala. And ang title nito, Nasaan? It's about finding change. About the change. About new system, gano'n. Sana magustuhan nyo. Ang title nito, Nasaan? Nasaan ang mga pangakong binitawan? Parang noon pa man, lagi tayong talunan. Sawang-sawa na sa mga sistemang nagdaan. baka sakali na sana sa pagbabago, sigaw ng mga tao, susulong na ako. Iba noon, sana iba na rin ngayon. Ayoko na purong imahinasyon. Ay nais ko tunay na pagbabago. Sana'y hindi mabigo. Nasaan ang mga taong namuno? Parang noon pa man lagi na tayong bigo. Balik-balik na rin ko man, hindi ko na mapigilan ang mga taong nananabik sa pagbabago. Sigaw ng mga tao, susulong na ako. Iba noon, sana iba na rin ngayon. Ayoko ng puro imahinasyon. Ang nais ko tunay na pagbabago. Sana'y hindi mabigo. And that was Nasaan, original song na galing sa banda ko. Another original song for my final song kasi actually I'm not totally prepared for tonight kasi I was expecting my band to play with me, pero ito another song galing sa isa kong banda pero another heavy band. Galing sa banda kong Broken-Eyes-Are-Made. Title nito Northern Lights. I've been kind of gloomy. The stars won't shine bright above me. I've tried swimming across the sea, but I still can't see the possibility. I tried to rewrite my destiny, but my plans won't let me. This night, where it feels so heavy, I see your eyes like the pearls in the sea. Baby, this is right. As the sea and the horizon collides, when we end our first escort tonight, you lay down as you sleep in my sweetest goodnight. Oh, I tried to rewrite my destiny, but my past won't let me. This night it feels so heavy. I see your eyes like the pearls in the sea, but the stars won't show us its light. So tonight we'll see the northern lights, but the stars won't show us its light. So tonight I tried to rewrite my destiny. Oh, these nights would feel so heavy. I see your eyes like the pearls in the sea. Maybe this isn't right. The northern lights, this isn't right. When I try to rewrite my destiny, this isn't right. Ayan, thank you. Again, ako si Bim. Thank you again sa Quattro Esquinas kay Sir CJ sa pag-invite sa akin dito. And ayan, siguro ayan, yung next sa akin is yung main act na for to. Thank you again po. Ako po si Bim.